Good evening, everyone. Good evening. First of all, I would like to thank. First of all, I would like to thank TIE for inviting me on this platform and giving me the opportunity to speak on the topic music and movement. As the topic itself says, music and movement. So here I begin with a musical note. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you today? So, if you start your Zoom class or your normal class with such a smile and a song, with such a smile on your face and a song, children will really enjoy and they will think that there are many more surprises in a day to day. Okay, so coming back to my topic, music and movement. According to me, the child is exposed to music right from infancy. The first toy gifted to a child is a rattle. Secondly, when the mother makes the baby sleep, when the child is cranky or is crying and is not ready to sleep, the mother takes the baby in the lap and pats in a rhythm. And she even says the rhythmic sound, ah, and makes the baby sleep. The third thing, you can always see a musical instrument on the top of the cradle, which the child keeps on watching and enjoys that. Fourthly, when the child takes those baby steps, starts learning to walk, parents bring those small choo-choo shoes for them and the child wears that and takes those baby steps. What a confidence is developed. He just puts a step and hears the sound and he feels wow and he keeps on walking with those sound. So with this, you all will agree to me that music is a medium to express joy, to engage children and to keep them calm. And so music, movement and rhythm, if introduced in early years, is going to be very helpful for them. They will develop their listening skills. They will develop their gross motor skills. They will enhance their concentration abilities. They will develop the social emotional skills. So, even our MI theory has supported musical intelligence. The child who learns to recognize the pattern in rhythm grows to be a good observer and a better learner. So, to prove this right, let me show you some of the activities which will be very helpful for you. So, friends, the first basic activity which you can do in your class is you make all the children stand in a circle and you take any musical instrument. Either if you have a drum, you can take a drum. You take a drum and you instruct them whenever your teacher is going to beat the drum fast, you're supposed to move fast. And whenever your teacher is going to beat the drum slow, you're supposed to move slow. And so they keep their ears open and listen when ma'am is going fast and when the ma'am is going slow. A basic concept of fast and slow can be taught through this activity. The second activity is a normal passing the parcel activity, which is, but here in this game, everyone has a parcel to pass. So we make the children sit in a circle and we tell them that before passing the parcel, you all have to tap your hands 4 times on the floor. So it goes like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then pass the parcel. To make it more rhythmic, we tell them, let's sing a song. We do it, 1, 2, 3, 4, put it on your neighbor's floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, put it on your neighbor's floor. So with this activity, first of all, it's a cooperative game. They learn to cooperate and learn that I have to pass the parcel on time before I receive one. So they enjoy this when we add this song with it. The third is one more number recognition activity which can be done with the music. What you do is we all have number cards. So you can do this activity with small groups first. So we make 2 sets of number cards, and one set of number cards stays with us, and out of one set we pin up one numbers to each child. Like, for example, one child gets number 5, the other child gets number 2, the other child gets number 3. The numbers are pinned up on their shirt. We ask them to sit in a semicircle. And with the one set which we have, we'll pull out one number card. If the number is 3, we will beat the drum 3 times. So the child who has a number 3 pinned here has to stand up. Same way, we can snap our fingers for 2 times. Movements are up to us. Whatever movements we can take. Musical instruments are up to us. Just we have to give them the instruction very nicely. That when ma'am, you have to concentrate for the number beats. That's the thing. So for this, it's a very good number recognition game for them through music and movement. One game which through music and movement we can do is with the alphabets, that we say, when I say children love to kick and punch. So when we say the letter, they kick, and when we say the sound, they punch. That is, suppose if I say A, they kick, and when I say A, they punch. Suppose I say B, they kick, and when I say B, they punch. So they have to, after that, when ma'am will only say, they only have to follow, okay, ma'am has said the letter, so I have to kick. When ma'am has said the sound, I'm supposed to punch. Okay, so this is also a very good game for alphabets. Children enjoy doing this. They love this game, and as you see, they like to punch and kick a lot. And you can play a normal music at the background. No worries. Now the activity which I'm going to tell you is an awesome activity, my favorite activity. And I know you all will also enjoy. But you all have to join with me. So are you all ready? Please show me thumbs up if you all are ready. You all have to do this activity with me. So just give me a thumbs up if all are ready. Then I begin with this activity. Okay. This activity is, listen carefully first of all. When I say BIM, you all are supposed to clap. And when I say bum, you all are supposed to snap. Okay, got it? When I say BIM, you're supposed to clap. When I say bum, you're supposed to snap. Okay, so let's go. 1, 2, 3, start. BIM, bum. BIM, bum. BIM, bim, bum, bum. BIM, bum. BIM, bum. Bim, bim, bum, bum. Bim, bim, bum, bum. I'm adding one more element to it. I'm saying BD means tap. Okay, so it goes like this. Bim, bum, BD. Bim, bum, BD. Bim, bim, bum, bum, BD, BD. You have to go slow with the children. Once they get the rhythm, then we can go fast. That is bim, bim, bum, bum, BD, BD, bum, bum, bim, bum, BD, BD, bum, bum, BD, bum. Okay, so we have to go like this with this activity. And these words which I said, children like these words. They get fascinated with such words. And you know, music is a wand, magical wand for them. You just rotate the musical wand in your class and the magic begins. Children enjoy. Wherever there is a music and movement class, they enjoy a lot. And let me tell you, these all activities, whichever I'm mentioning, it's not going to happen overnight. Some children may take days, some children may take weeks, some children may take months also. Like other skills, even rhythmic skills needs to be practiced, because once we practice, they will get into the rhythm, and the mind and the body both gets connected and strengthened, and with music we can do such things. One more activity with numbers I'll tell you. That it goes like this: one finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a worm and crawl, crawl, crawl. Two fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a rabbit and hop, hop, hop. Three fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a cat, meow. Four fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a bird and fly, fly, fly. Five fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn to a lion. Oh. So when you do such activities with children, the enthusiasm is unlimited. They are like into it and they want to do it again and again. One more activity which I would like to share is I've just made one on an A4 size sheet. If you have magnetic alphabets, you can paste on a board and you can create such scene. And the thing is, it's just with the song Five Little Ducklings. So it goes like this. Five little letters went out one day over the hills and far away. The teacher called S, S, S. Only the letter S came away. So if it's a magnetic alphabet, the teacher removes alphabet S. Four little letters went out one day over the hills and far away. The teacher said P, 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 and the letter P comes away. Three little letters went out one day over the hills and far away. The teacher said B, B, B. Only the letter B came away. Okay. So there are many activities which can be done with children. Children are going to enjoy a lot and will have a gala time. Okay. So with this, I end my session. I would like to once again thanks Harsha ma'am. Thanks Mona a lot for your support. Thanks TIA team. And since I begin my session with a musical note, I'll end my session also with a musical note. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye everyone. See you all soon. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye everyone. See you all soon. Thank you so much. I hope my activities will be helpful to you in your classes. Thank you so much, and please, music, smile, songs, rhythm, movements are very much necessary for preschoolers. Must do. Thank you so much everyone. Thanks a lot.